Okay, let's start with the second one. Let's go a little quicker. Same process. No one here. One cannot go here or here or here. So we have a one there. We have a one. What about here? No, no. There we go. One, one. Can't go here. Can't go here. This one cannot go here, here, or here. So we have a one here. This one, one. We have a one here. This one cancels here. This one cancels here. So we have a one, 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 one. 1, 1, 1. So we're done with 1. Now we go quickly for 2. 2 cannot go here. 2 cannot go here. 2 cannot go here, but it cannot go here. So you see how that gets us 2. There's a 2, 2. 2 cannot go here, here. Cannot go here, here. So we have a 2 there. 2, 2. Cannot go here. Cannot go here. But this 2 says it cannot go here. So 2 has to go here. So it cannot go here. This one cannot go here. We got a 2 there. 2. Hop over here. 2, 2, 2 there. We're done with 2. 3. No 3 here. No 3 here. Do we have a 3 here in these two rows? No, we don't. 3 cannot go here. Could go here. There's no 3 here. 3 cannot go here, but then we have these 3. We have a 3. 3 cannot go here, so we can have these 2. Now 4, we have a 4 cannot go here. 4 here, here, so we still have these 2. 4 can go here or here. 4 cannot go here or here, so we have a 4 there. 4 cannot go here, so it has to go here. One of these 2, so we don't have enough. 4 cannot go here. 4 has to go somewhere here, but we have a 4 there. 4 cannot go here, so 4 goes here. 4 cannot go here. Here cannot go here, so we have a 4 there. Now we go with 5. We have a 5 cannot go here or here, so it could go here or here. There's a 5, so that means the 5 goes there. 5 cannot go here. Cannot go here, so it could go one of these 2 spots. There's a 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's put a 7 right there. Or let's continue with 5. 5 cannot go here, or 5 can go there or there, so we don't have 5 cannot go. 5 goes one of these 2 spots, but look, there's a 5 here, so 5 cannot go here, cannot go here, so we have a 5 there. Go with 6. 6 cannot go here, 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 so 6 goes here. 6, 6, 6, 6. Then what about here? 6 cannot go here or here, so there we have a 6. Cancels that one, so we have a 6 there. 6, 6. Then we have another one over here, so let's go with 7 now. Can 7 go in one of these 2 spots? We don't have enough info. So now we go with 7 here. There's only one 7. But look at this row. As I'm highlighting this, we have 1, 2. We're missing a 3. Let's just put it there. How about over here? 7 has to go here. 7, 7. 7 has to go in one of these 2 spots. We have a 7 there, cannot go here. 7 can go one of these 2 spots. 7 cannot go here, so we have 7 there. Let's go with 8. There's an 8, so 8 goes here. Let's complete this box, this whole box here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's our 7. Now we're looking for 8. 8 cannot go here. So 8 cannot go here, so there's our 8. There's an 8. 8 cannot go here, so we have an 8. 8 cannot go here. There's an 8, so there's an 8. Well, there's an 8 there. 8, 8, 8. So now let's go with 9. 9 cannot go here. So, but it could go in one of these 2 spots. 9 cannot go here, so 9 we have here. Cancels this one. Cannot go here, so we have another 9. 9 has to go in one of these 2 spots, so we don't know yet. But that 9 cannot go here. Goes here. Oops, messed up. There's a 9 there. It's okay to make mistakes. There's a 9. 9 cannot go here or here, so we have a 9 there. There's a 9, 9. 9 has to go here. That completes our box and it completes our row. So now let's look at rows. 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4 there. 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. Then let's look at another row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Missing a 5, right? Just look at this row. Oh, we're missing 2 here. What are we missing? 1, 2. We're missing a 3 either here or here. There's a 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. Oh, but look, there's a 7. So 7 goes here. And the 3 goes there. Look at this row. My eyes goes right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. Look at this box now. 1, 2. We're missing a 3. Look at this box. We're missing a 9. Look at this box. We're missing a 3. Since that 3 goes there, the 3 has to go down here. And then we have the 7.